Sugarcoating, uncovered, the sweet truth behind the phrase. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into a delightful English phrase that you might have heard or read but aren't quite sure about. Sugarcoat. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just its meaning, but also its origin and how to use it in sentences. The term, sugarcoat, is derived from the literal act of covering something with a layer of sugar to make it more palatable or tasty. In the English language, sugarcoat is used metaphorically. When someone sugarcoats something, they are making an unpleasant fact or situation seem less harsh or more appealing than it really is. For example, if your friend got a haircut you didn't like but you said, "It's different, but it looks good on you," you might be sugarcoating your true feelings. 1. Statement form. 2. He always sugarcoats the truth to avoid hurting anyone's feelings. 3. Question form. 4. Are you sugarcoating it, or did you genuinely like the movie? 5. Negative form. 6. I won't sugarcoat this, our company is facing some serious challenges. Remember, the term can be used in various tenses, but the essence remains the same, presenting something in a way that makes it seem better or less harsh than it is. The word sugarcoat originated from the practice of coating pills in sugar. Back in the day, medicines often tasted very bitter. To make them easier to swallow, pharmacists would coat them with a layer of sugar. This made the bitter pill more pleasant to take. Over time, the term began to be used figuratively to describe any attempt to make unpleasant news or truths easier to accept. So, the next time you hear someone using the term sugarcoat, you'll not only know what it means but also the interesting history behind it. Remember, language isn't just about words. It's also about the stories they tell and the cultures they come from. We hope this video has been enlightening. Until next time, keep exploring and enriching your vocabulary.